While generating new leads is important for your business, qualifying those leads is crucial. With Intercom Respond, your team can quickly and collaboratively qualify prospects, freeing them up to focus on the biggest opportunities. When a visitor gets in touch with you, they'll automatically become a lead in Intercom. We give them a temporary name and avatar, and provide some basic details about them, like what page they last viewed, when they first and last visited your site, and other recent conversations they've had with your team. This live profile appears alongside their message in the inbox, so you can instantly see the details you already have and focus your time on asking the right questions to qualify them. This qualification section is fully customizable, letting you define and prioritise the information most important to your business. You can choose from these existing data fields, like email address or phone number, as well as company data, like size or name. And you can also create new data fields to match your business and customers. Let's add business model as a qualification requirement, with the options B2B or B2C. This lets you standardise your qualification process, so your sales team collect the right details during a conversation and can track their progress right here in the inbox. That's how easy it is to manage and edit lead data in Intercom. And if you want to save even more time, check out how you can automatically qualify your leads directly in the Intercom Messenger, so your team can spend more time on the conversations that matter most.